Makalipay ba na dito pa? Nabalad na.
Okay, so for the foundation, meron tayong liquids. Tama ba? Yung gamit ninyo, meron kayong liquids, cream na foundation. Kita ko may cream kayo dyan na foundation. And meron tayong powder na foundation, yung compact na ito. So may mga foundation na cream. So mga ganito, mga cream, yung nakaganito, foundation din yun gamit nila. Okay, so foundation is a liquid cream or powder makeup applied to face and neck to create an even uniform color to the complexion cover clothes sometimes. Okay, so for the liquid foundation, they are best for normal skin type. Hindi kayo dry, hindi kayo oily. So, choosing the right foundation for yourself para hindi kayo mag-fix sa foundation. Okay? So, ayun ang kailangan nyo i-consider. So, kung liquid ba ang bagay sa akin, or cream or powder. And then if you are using powder foundation, for powder foundation, ito yung mga oily. If your face is oily. So paano nagiging foundation ang compact na ito? Hindi lahat ng compact na ito ay foundation. Kasi yung iba pressed powder lang. So paano nagiging foundation? So kailangan nyo yung sponge dyan ay basahin nyo para sila maging foundation. At may nakalagay dapat foundation. Okay, baka basahin nyo nga yung sponge pero hindi pala siya foundation, powder lang pala. Okay? So powder foundation ay para sa mga oily ang face. Okay? Paano naman pag mga cream foundation? Cream foundation ay para sa mga dry ang skin. Dahil pag if you're dry skin, mahirap kapitan ng makeup, ng mga foundation. So you have to use cream para mas kumakapit sila. Okay? Malalaman nyo if your skin is dry. Pag medyo rough siya, mag-spang siya. So sometimes our skin nag-iiba-iba yan. Sometimes oily. Hindi kayo always na dry. Pero because you are using your soap ay nakakapag-dry, nagiging dry yung face niyo. Okay? Okay, review natin. Liquid foundation para kanino? Normal skin. Powder foundation?
Oily.
Oily. Cream foundation?
Dry skin.
Dry skin. Pero usually nakikita kong foundation ninyo ay
Liquid.
liquid. Why?
Kasi yun ang nakita.
Available.
Dahil sila yung pinakamadaling gamitin. Yung liquids. And then, liquid foundation. So, may mga, ang scientist naman natin ngayon, wow, scientists, they create the foundation na for all types of skin. So, kahit mga normal ka or dry, or oily, you can use the liquid foundation kasi nakalagay ay for all types of skin. So yung formulation ng foundation nila ay parang ginawa nila for all types of skin. Okay, so you can now use, kaya usually, mostly, ang gamit ng iba talaga, liquid foundation. So lahat nakalagay na ng foundation, ng LCL. Jewel.
What's the difference between BB cream, CC cream?
Good question, Jewel. So, BB cream, sino yung gumagamit dito ng BB cream ng CC cream? Saan siya nauso? BB cream. Sino yung gumagamit? Korean. Korean. So, Korean, they create their own foundation. So, BB cream and CC cream, for me, it's also a foundation, but lightweight lang sila. Manipis. Kasi yung Korean, parang ang makinis naman sila. So it's also a foundation but lightweight. And the C is more lightweight than B. Ganito ulit na yun. Did I answer your Okay, so any question? So guys, I really appreciate those participants na nag-a-ask ng question. Tanong pa, subukan nyo. Okay. So there are 3 types of foundation, liquid, green, and powder.
Ano, appeal na. Surface ng...
At Jewel, did you use BB cream? Pero nakita ko it's cream.
CC Blur.
Ah, okay. Sure. And also, doon sa mga powder foundation, if you have your foundation, tama ba? Can I see your powder? So, meron pa siyang brush
Yeah.
inside?
Yeah.
So that's not only a free brush, it's free sponge. They create their sponge para doon talaga sa product. So that's the best sponge na kinreate nila. So kasama sa training namin yun, na hindi lang pala siya free. Yun talaga yung fit for their product. So yun ang dapat gamitin. Kasi yung iba powder foundation, but they use brush. Tama ba? They use, binabrush natin siya. So what's the best for me is yung free sponge na gagamitin. So hindi lang pala siya free. So yun pala dapat yung sponge. Okay, so sa surface tone natin, may mga shade ang foundation. May mga fair, medium, and dark. So if you're fair, siyempre mapuputi ang gagamitin nyo. So doon kayo bibili sa mga fair section, maputi ako. May mga number ang foundation, 1 to 10. Which one is the lightest? Check nyo, may mga number yung foundation. Baka mamaya nakabili kayo ng foundation, masyado pa lang dark or light yung foundation nyo. So you can check first the number of your foundation. From 1 to 10, which one is the lightest? Yes. Okay, meaning to say, the lower the number, the lighter the shade. The higher the number, the darker the shade. Okay. So undertone of foundation. Ma'am Belinda. Linda, nakapaglagay ka ng foundation? Okay. Okay na ba? Lagyan kita ng undertone ng foundation. So dun sa mga, careful may wirings ha. Dun sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam ng undertone ng foundation, so maglalagay ako ng foundation. So, tulungan ninyo akong pumili kung ano magandang foundation for Ma'am Linda. Maglalagay ako ng 2 layers. So this is the undertone of foundation.
Yung ganun.
Second. So guys, this is also a foundation. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung undertone ng foundation. Ano mas maganda kay Ma'am Linda? Yung first layer or yung second layer? Second. So that's the undertone of foundation. Ay kinreate na kulay yellow and pink. Okay, kung ang yellow tone natin ay may 1 to 10, ang pink tone ay may 1 to 10 din. Kaya minsan tama yung number ng foundation ninyo. Your foundation is number 4, pero parang may mali. Yung undertone pala ng foundation. So paano nyo malalaman if you are yellow tone or pink tone? Ano tawag dyan ng card? Veins. Okay, so tingnan nyo yung vein ninyo. If your vein is color green, if your... Green! Tingnan nyo kung dugo nyo ba ay verde, bakla kayo. And if your vein is green, your yellow tone. So if your vein is green, yellow tone kayo. Yellow tone. Green. So yellow tone. So if your vein is color pink, and if your vein is blue or violet or purple, your undertone is pink tone. Okay? Sino dito yung purple or blue? Ayan si Pam. Sila yung mga mapuputi. Ayan. Kaya pink tone. Ulitin ko ha. If your vein is color green, yellow tone. If your vein is blue or violet, pink tone. So si Ma'am Linda ay yellow tone kasi green daw yung vein niya. Thank you, Ma'am Linda. Ma'am, tanggalin mo na yan ha.